Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete trash in Google Photos. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete deleted photos or trash in Google Photos, just go ahead and search for Google Photos on your phone. Select it. Here, you have access to all the photos on your phone that are uploaded to the Google Photo. So if you go ahead and delete any photo or video, you trash it. Now you want to empty the trash on the Google Photo. All you simply need to do is click on collections. Then on collections, you should see trash. Go ahead and click on that. Then here, click on the three dots at top right. Click on empty trash. Then suppose that says allow photos to delete. The number of items you selected, click on allow. And then you should see nothing in trash, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to delete trash in Google Photos. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.